We have 10 panels, each one is made up of 200 watts. And I'm going to go down now to show you what this will power, what is this 2000 watts panel are powering at this moment. Yes. The person talking to you, the person talking to you, the inventor, the one that installed this panel single-handedly yesterday.
Yowa.
I think they showed that manual.
Yowa.
Meteorite Solar Engine inventor.
Yowa.
So now we are going to go around and show you the capacity of this engine, what is powering at this particular moment.
Confirm.
Okay. Come, go with me. And I'm pointing to show this engine. Okay. We have here one, two bulbs. Each of these bulbs is 12 watts. The rechargeable bulbs, people put these bulbs in the daytime, it's recharged for them so that in the night they can use it. Even though Meteorite Solar Engine doesn't work at night, in the night you still have visibility. Okay, this is one fan. This fan, if you plug it in solar battery or inverter battery, it will drain it. It will drain it 1 month. You dispose the battery. Okay, this is another battery. This is another fan. This is also 4 bulbs now. Each bulb is 12 watts. Come on. And this is another bulb. And this is another fan. Okay, this is another bulb. How many bulbs now? Count it. Count it. This is another bulb. This is another bulb. This one. This is another one. So the total bulb is carrying at this power 1, 2. Okay, this is another fan here. Yeah? So how many fans? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bulbs? 11 bulbs. 11, 12 watt bulb. Bring it. Come and see the small engine. The small generator called Meteorite Solar Engine. This is a Meteorite Solar Engine that is powering all these things at this moment. This engine, if you connect it with as many panels as possible, it can power any kind of electrical appliances. And it always go with this solar bulb as an indicator. Whenever this solar bulb is stable, that means the engine, the energy, the sun and the solar panel capacity is enough to power appliances. But if they are low or the sun is low, this may blink as an indicator. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's switch it off.